Hi there, it's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello and welcome back. So I'm here again with the Amazon journal, and we're at the part where we need to be looking at pages. So I'm just going to get one of the inserts out and get it measured. So I hope no sun. I might have to stop and pull the blinds. The sun's slowly coming over. So from top to bottom it's 8.5. At 9.5, sorry. So I'm thinking 9. I think 9.25 would just give a little bit of give each side. So height 9.25. Okay, and then width, it's nearly 12. So I'm thinking if we go halfway of the sewing, so I'm gonna say 11.5. I mean, what is it from? See, if I did it at 11.25, how big are these? So these are 5 3/4, which is 11 3/4, isn't it? I think so. Yeah, I'm gonna go 11.5. Am I right? Yeah. So width 11.5. Okay. So in half, that's 5 3/4. 10, 11, yeah. So in half. I don't know why I might need that, but I'm just thinking if I'm thinking further along the line and can't think. So I've pulled a few things out. So I'm going to leave these ones for a minute. Let's have a look at the size of these. So these are 10 and something. So height wise they're fine, and width wise they're also fine. They're actually going to cut quite a lot off. So if we want 5 3/4, which is there, I think I will probably tuck those and make, you know, side pockets. So they're fine. So how many have I got here? So I've got one there. I don't think I'm going to use that one. And I've got one there. I think I'll have to put some tape down that just to reinforce it. So if we've got one of those each for each one, because we've got two inserts, and then we've got some dictionary paper. Let me just try and take this apart. That middle. Again, I think I'm going to have to reinforce this. It's just got a bit of glue on it. So height wise it's going to be fine. So that's, yeah, loads height wise, and then same with those. I'll be able to tuck them round. Now these are very, very thin, so I'm going to keep these together, and I think I'm going to sew round them at some point. So we've got 2 there, which will make 1 page. We've got 2 there, which will make 1 page, and then we've got 3. So I shall leave those. Right, put those on the other pile. Now I've got this A3 pad, and I've folded it down lengthways, which, as we've seen, gives us just under 6, and obviously we've got loads of height, so we know these are going to be fine. So I'm thinking 1, 2, and I think I'm only going to be able to get 1 out of the height, because then I'm going to end up with that. So let's say for now we want, it's ever so thick paper, 1, 2, 3, so let's say we want 4. So that would give us 6 sheets for each signature. So 3, 4. Okay, so I can pop that away. So that's more than 140 GS then. It's very good. I wonder if it's because it's recycled that it just feels tougher, but yeah, that's really good. In the UK I got that from Hobbycraft. And then obviously we've got these, which are nearly 5 3/4, so they should just fit fine. So we'll put one of those in each one, and they'll probably want just trimming down a slight bit, because obviously it's not worth turning it over. So we've got one of those for each, so that's 8 in each one, and that might just want a smidgen off, and that, oh, obviously they're the same, aren't they? So how many is that? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we've got these Botanicals, which these are just over 7.5. So I might put a little crease in. So if we put one of those in each one, thinking that could be this middle page. Let's see. I can't even open it now. Yeah, I've got 2 nice plates on there, because then I'm thinking I could put some pockets in, or something. Which is the nice. I don't think I've got any more full sheets. A lot of these I had to. That would perhaps be nice. So I'm going to do those for the centre. Right, so that's as 10 sheets. I'm not sure if I'm going to put any envelopes and that kind of stuff in, because I obviously need to see how chunky it is. So what shall I do next? I suppose I'd be best to get the actual these pages cut down, because these are going to be our proper pages, aren't they, as such? So if I fold all these down. Better to make a little book with what's going to be left over. So I'll have 8 of these to fold. They're being four in each. Let's just move those. So is that the last one, or is there 2 more? Let's take. So I have to get my trimmer up, and we'll do the height first. Make sure that's right. And then I think I'll work out what I'm going to do with the music paper and the dictionary paper. See if anything needs sewing around, because I'm not going to sew around these main papers. Okay, let me just put those to one side, move this out the way. I'm going to stand up. Let's put the trimmer that way, because that's the widest point in the desk. I think I'll just higher you up a little bit. You're probably going to see the sun now. Okay, so I'm going to do them one at a time, and we want them 9 1/4. So there's 9, there's 9 1/4, which is on that line there. Okay, I'm still on the line. Yes, you're still on the line. Okay, I'm just going to see how tall the music paper is, because I forgot. So yeah, that's too high. So I'm going to start by taking the top piece off. Actually, that is 9 1/4. So maybe if I take it there, and turn it around and take it there. So that's right height ways. Let's do the dictionary. So we could take it there, which I'm not. So I'm going to take the top bit off. Okay, let's do the others. So 9 1/4. I'm just going to take that bottom off. I'm just going to make that a titty bit shorter, just to take that little bit of a number off. So that's that one. And then again, take the top piece. Oops. Okay, let's just check the book ones. I can't remember how big these was. So they're going to want a little bit off. So I'm thinking if we take it from the top, so that would be 9 1/4 there. Yeah, that's just right. Oh, sorry. That's that. And then I think these are all lower, aren't they? Right, so that's the cutting, well, bit for that way. Right, so I'm going to just burnish these. Yeah. Wrong end. I've had to shut the blinds and we have got a little bit of sunlight coming through one of them, but I can't get to the window properly to straighten the blinds. My desk is like straight in front, so I'm guessing we're obviously going to have some trimming to do. that's all those burnished. So we do need to take some off the width, don't we? Because they, yeah, they obviously measuring 6 where it's coming out the most, and we want it at 5 3/4. So I'm just gonna cut. I'm gonna pause and go to my trimmer because I've got it to one side of me now. Okay, so I've done those both to 5 3/4. What I'm going to do now is I want to round the corners of these. So I'm going to see if I can do them 2 at a time. So I'll do the top ones first, and then I shall do the bottom ones. And then I'm going to ink all around the edges, just the edges, not loads. Yeah. That's better. Sure these are straight. Should really do them one at a time, but sometimes the punch doesn't like one at a time. So that's those 4. I've just put them on the wrong ones, haven't I? Oh no, I haven't. It's weird. Why does it now feel... Oh, do those 2 go first? Yeah, that's better. Oh, right, okay. So push those 2 together. Okay, so that's all the corners. No, it isn't. I've missed 2 on this back. Let's just get those together. Okay. So that's those. Right, I'm going to ink around. I'm going to pause because obviously I want to do as much as I can in this video. And if I'm spending time doing things that you've already seen me do, it's obviously eating into the time. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I can see that obviously this is wider. So I'm going to fold that down. I don't know about doing it measuring wise because I'm not the greatest of measurers. So that is dead on 5 3/4. Let me just get my pencil. 5. So that would be there. Is that where the mark was? 5 3. Yeah. So let's try folding it there. Going to go inside the mark. I'd rather be a little bit short than over. So that's that side, and then I'm just going to line this up together, I think. No, I best not. Let's do it properly. Right, so 5 3/4. Need to do it from that side, Tanya. Okay. So that's there. I can't see, can I? I'll fold it this way, then fold it the other way. Right. So let's fold that back. Okay, bring those two together, and I think that's still, that second one's a little bit out, but we'll see what they look like in here, if that one pokes out or not. Yeah, it does. So I'm going to bring that second one in a little bit more. That's better. And that can go in there. So I'm going to round off both the corners, doing it with a 10 mil, and I'm going to round off this side as well. So that's that. Okay, so I've done the other one. I did that off camera. So I'm thinking I'm either going to have to put some material down there or some tape, or just do like a collage down there. But for now, that's fine. So let's have a look at this music paper. So we said 5 3/4. So let's get to the top. That's there. So turn it round. That's that. Okay, so I've marked both of these, and I'm going to turn these in. Like so, I'm going to sew these, but I'll just put them in for now. I want to see what the thickness is like. So that's that one. So let me try them in there first before I start taking the corners off. So that one will go there. So yeah, that will be fine. So I'm going to take the corners off there. Not going to take the inside ones on because obviously we've got them lovely marks there. Let's do that again. I was at a funny angle. That's it. I think I might stick some card just behind there as well, just to give that a bit of reinforcement. Right, so that's that one. So that can go, no, that doesn't go there. I think that one goes there. Okay, while we've got it open, I'm going to put the Botanical one right in the middle. And I'm going to put this one at the front, like so. So then we're going to have music. So then I'm going to put the butterfly and moth one in there. I think that just needs a sliver off it. So I'll just use the trimmer to trim that down. So that goes there. Okay, let's do the music one. Okay, let's try it in here. Okay, could do with going in slightly a little bit more. That should be better. So again, I'm going to round these corners. Not sure what I'm going to do next. Well, I'm going to see how it looks, well, feels in the main cover. And if I think there's some more room, I might have a look through some of the pieces that I've already made to see if there's any inserts or anything that I can pop in. And I suppose after that it'll be sewing around the music paper and the dictionary paper. That's that. I've done the other one and I've put that in. So that's fine. So that one will go at the back, and that will go in there. So it's definitely reaching its limit. What does it feel like when that's not in? See, there's loads more room. So I think I'm going to pause for a second. I'm going to get the bag of things that I've made. Just, I mean, there might not be nothing that I want in there, but if there is, then I think I will put a pocket on the back for this. Because I'm guessing whoever has this won't keep this in anyway. So yeah, I can perhaps do a pocket on there. Yeah. So I'm going to pause for a second and then we'll have a look if there's anything that I want to put in it. Okay, I've got the pieces out, so let's start from so I've got some pockets, I've got a belly band that's in the wrong bag. Now these are flip outs. They might be an idea. I've obviously got one of those in the folio part. I don't want a window envelope. Their pockets, that's another window envelope. That's another one of those. One of those. Ah, now these are there. I won't mind trying these. I don't want that. That's another one of those. It's window journal card. That's a flap book. That's pocket. That's another flap book. That's pocket. They're journal cards, and then they're all I think I might keep the kit pockets out. So let's just pop these to one side. So let's have a look at these first. So these was what I made in Rachel's challenge. Yeah, I like that. So when we've got the other book, that one would go there. So I'm liking that. Let's have a look. And we've got these tall flip things. That goes on that side. I don't think I'd. That's that side. Because obviously we've got that on the other side. Now, I think that's obviously going to be a pocket there. So there's going to be something in there. Yeah, I'm going to have to think about some more journal cards, aren't I? Some big ones. Let's see what this... maybe. Yeah, I've not made any big journal cards. I'm just looking because they never found the way. It's a bit deep, isn't it? So yeah, I might have to make a journal card for that. I'm not sure about putting anything on there. I've got the butterfly page. So maybe that would look nice on the other side. And I have got two that flap that way. Let me take that long card out and just put a small one in. So that would stick down there, so you could still write. I might cover that up. This needs probably reinforcing a little bit. So yeah, I like that there. So oh, I done them the wrong way around. Where's the butterfly page? Yeah, that's take that out a minute. So that would go on that side. I don't think you can see that. So yeah, I'm quite happy with those. Oops, sorry. So I don't need those anymore. We've got that. We've got another nice writing spot. I think I will put a piece of paper over there. I'm just wondering if I want to pocket. That's supposed to be the other way, isn't it, really? That's very nice there. And I'm going to put that one there because I can put the opposite ones on the opposite side. So that's that. Okay, I think I will go back through and pin, you know, paper clip them. So what have we got next? Then we've got the book page. Probably going to put some little panels on there to write on. Then we've got this pocket. So I think on that one, no, I don't want anything on that page, do it? It would be on that one. So I would need, I don't know, to have that one there. Where does this belong? I'm stuck. Oh, that goes there, doesn't it? So if I just pop that there. So we've got, see, I don't know if to put anything. I mean, I could probably put a belly band down there and have that as a tuck. Obviously that doesn't fit. So yeah, do want to try and keep the white pages white, you know, nothing on them. So yeah, I think I might have a belly band on there just with a card or I might attach some vellum and sew it on. That would be nice. So then we've got a plain page. Then we've got his flip and his music. We've got a pocket. Well, we've got a side tuck, we've got a plain piece. Even though that's going on there, I don't class it as being on there because it's going to be out like so. We've got this one's got a pocket. Then we've got this plain. Gonna have some little patches on there. That's going to be a side tuck. Now I could possibly put one of these in because again it's not actually on the page, is it? So that would flip out and you've got a card there, and then on this side you've got that. So yeah, that's a good possibility. So let's open that up and pop that one in there. So then we've got a plain piece. Not sure what I'm going to do with this, I don't know. I could probably do with a big pocket there. Might have to look in the Botanical box. So I think they're not a candidate. So yeah, I want something there. Then we've got a side tuck there. We've got this, which I'm going to put some white paper over. And then return this. Could have this there, but I'm going to have the bird one in this one. And we've got a side tuck there. I think I would leave that. Then we've got this plain, we've got that, we've got a side tuck, leave that plain, that's fine. We've got a pocket here, we've got that, we've got a side, we've got this, we've got this plain, and then we've got that. So I think that's fine. So I think the other pocket I said here, didn't I? Oh no, what was it at the back of? Oh, I know, this one. So that goes there. Eek. So it's starting to look like that notebook is going to have to live on the, I was going to say on the back shelf. Oops, sorry. So that would go in there. Yep. Sorry, you're not coming in. It's getting too fat. So that would go. Oof. Yeah, so I'm actually thinking I'm going to take that out. And where did I put? Looking for the thingy tag. There. So I think that's going to go back in there. like so. Yeah. So I'm not sure. So I think I probably need next, before I put anything else on, like, oh, I'm going to put paper on top of this, that and the other, I probably need to sew in, put tags where I need them. See, that's already got its tags. This is going to need a tag. So you put everything in. Well, I'm not going to be able to, because if I wanted to add plain paper to that. But yeah, I can do that. Which it's obviously all going to add bulk. I'm going to need a journal card there. Yeah, do all that. And then I'll have to make a decision about, do I put a pocket on, or is that going to be final, because I don't think there's much more room in here. So yeah, that surprises me. So yeah. So I'm going to leave it at that for today. I think next time we come back, we'll work through it and start. I think I'll get these sewn, and then we'll work through it, what needs, you know, paper putting over the top. But I think I'm going to cut the papers, and no, I'm not going to sew around them. No, so we'll do that part, get stuck in whatever we need to get stuck in. I'm hoping that I can find some journal cards that will go in. I mean, I've got all my botanical things that I can look through, which will go fine with that. So I'm kind of thinking, I don't know if to save these and make another bird folio and put them in, because I think now there's that much paper in there. I don't think you need these as well. So yeah, I think that's probably what I'm going to do. So I'll have a think, and then I'll tell you what I've thought about next time I come back. Oof, I feel exhausted after that. That's the first time I've ever done that. Normally I just do, you know, a one signature, and I just put plain paper in, and I don't put pockets in and things, because I put all my pockets kind of in my file folders and stuff. So yeah, that was my first time of doing that. I've got a right headache. So yeah, I obviously need to plot and plan the next step. So thanks for joining me, and I shall see you again. I think it'll be tomorrow, won't it? So I've not got long to think about it, have I? See you tomorrow. Bye for now.